Welcome to the Pedagogy Premiere on Number, Money and Measure Progression Overviews. We're now going to look at the different parts of the Number, Money and Measure Progression Overview. The Number, Money and Measure Progression Overview provides a brief overview of progression within Number, Money and Measure. Aligns with the Number, Money and Measure Progression Pathway. Be used in conjunction with the Number, Money and Measure Progression Pathway, which exemplifies how to plan for conceptual understanding in numeracy. Therefore, it should not be used as a standalone document. It can also be used as part of professional dialogue in relation to Teacher Professional Judgement. We are now going to look at the structure of the Number, Money and Measure Progression Overview. Firstly, it's broken down into levels: early level, first level, and second level. Phases have been introduced to emphasize progression through a level. Early level is broken down into two levels, with the emphasis of Phase 1 prerequisites being the foundations of Phase 1. First level and second level are broken down into three phases of progression. There is a focus on mathematical vocabulary. The mathematical vocabulary here is not an exhaustive list, but instead should be used to consider the consistency of the mathematical vocabulary used across a school and within a cluster. Aligns with the Number, Money and Measure Progression Pathway. Also aligns with the national documentation, as it shows progression through the phases towards the national benchmarks, which are highlighted in bold. Grey areas mean that there are no associated benchmarks at this level, or there is no progression at this level. Thank you for engaging with this Pedagogy Premiere.